Well, as I look at this, I'm thinking maybe I should have put that green geometry on a separate level. So what I'm going to do is go to my level manager, and I'm going to create a new level, number 2, and I'm going to call this profile geometry, and we'll OK that. Now to put that geometry on that level, I'm going to right click on the level, and it says select the entities to change the level of, and I'm going to say all color green, and we'll OK that and end our selection, and we'll tell it that we want to move that. Well, it's set to move it to the main level, which is now 2. We'll OK that. So now if we check our level manager, we've got our solid on level 1 and our profile geometry on level 2. Now let's get back to that toolpath. We were going to do a toolpath rough. And I don't want to pick from the solid, I want to pick from my wireframe. And I'm going to pick from the front side on the outside diameter. And I'm going to pick this chain all the way over to the hex. Even though we're not going to be turning out this area, I want it to turn this all the way down to this full length. Let's OK that. I'm going to pick my same tool and add a comment. And I'm just going to say rough the OD. For our roughing parameters, I'm going to take a look at my lead in and out. And for my lead out, I actually want to extend the cut, and I want to go far enough past the end so that it's a clear spot for the cutoff tool. So I'm going to have this go an extra 150 thousandths, and I'll have it pull off in the 12 o'clock direction. And we could do a separate finished cut, but I'm just going to have it do a semi-finish, basically doing a finished cut with the same tool. And I'm going to tell it I want my step over to be 30 thousandths. That's all we need, so we'll say OK. And it basically just took 2 cuts, a rough cut and a finished cut, and you can see how it went past the edge of the part, leaving a clearance for our cutoff tool. And I just did an Alt-S to turn my shading back on.